First rule of marketing: always know your audience. Once upon a time in a bustling city, a young entrepreneur named Aiden had a dream. He wanted to launch his own fashion brand, one that would revolutionize streetwear. He spent months perfecting his designs, choosing the finest fabrics, and creating a website that looked sleek and modern. Yet, when he finally launched his brand, sales were disappointingly low. Confused and frustrated, Aiden sought advice from his mentor, Olivia, a seasoned marketing strategist. She listened to his story and then asked, "Who is your audience?" Aiden hesitated. "Well, people who love fashion." Olivia smiled. "That's too broad. You need to understand exactly who you're selling to. What are their interests? Where do they shop? What social media platforms do they use? What problems do they want their clothes to solve?" Determined to crack the code, Aiden went back to the drawing board. He started engaging with potential customers on social media, asking them what they looked for in streetwear. He visited popular stores and observed the types of clothing people were drawn to. He even attended fashion events and spoke directly with trendsetters in the industry. What he discovered was a game changer. His audience wasn't just people who love fashion. They were young, urban creatives who wanted stylish yet comfortable outfits that made them stand out. They valued sustainability and preferred limited edition releases over mass-produced items. They spent more time on Instagram and TikTok than traditional shopping websites. Armed with this knowledge, Aiden adjusted his strategy. He collaborated with influencers, created behind-the-scenes videos of his design process, and introduced a limited edition collection with a strong eco-friendly message. Within months, his brand started gaining traction. Sales skyrocketed, and his once empty website was now flooded with orders. One evening, Aiden sat across from Olivia, a proud smile on his face. "I get it now," he said. "Marketing isn't just about selling a product, it's about speaking the language of your audience." Olivia nodded. "Exactly. The first rule of marketing is to always know your audience. Without that, even the best product in the world won't sell." From that day on, Aiden never made a business decision without first understanding his customers. And his brand? It became one of the most sought-after names in the streetwear industry, all because he followed the golden rule of marketing.